Good day, everyone. Learn how to delete your Google account. So, you have too many accounts, or by any reason, if you want to delete your Google account, or I would say delete or disable the Google account, I'll tell you the easiest way to do so. So, you can open the browser from your phone, or you can use your computer. And at the top right corner, where you see your profile icon, click on that and then select manage your Google account. Once you click on that, you will find personal info, data and privacy. So here we will select data and privacy, and we need to scroll down a little bit, and very soon you will have an option to delete your more options, other options to manage your data. So make a plan for your digital legacy if you want, how you exactly you want to do that, and delete your Google account. If we click on that, it will ask for the password, and you just need to hit enter, and this will ask you a few more questions, and this account, the Google account will be deleted. All right, so you can also do that if you want to delete your Google account. This is how you can do it. You can do that from the phone or from the browser of the computer. If you find this tutorial helpful and short, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.